more of like slim thick, I guess you would say.
Something like my makeup, I say you the best. I know you can't see it all by yourself, but you are beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
So hello Jazz, welcome back to my channel, and if you already clicked on that video, you already know what it is. It's another huge Fashion Nova haul, and you know, your girl took advantage of Memorial Day weekend, and I kind of splurged a little bit, but it's for a good cause because I'm trying to venture out into a new kind of wardrobe. I usually I don't have much going out clothes or kind of dress up clothes. I'm usually like just chill and leggings and all that, so I need more pants and just regular clothes, business attire and everything. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video and others, comment down below what you liked, and I'll have everything in the description down below as long with prices. And I hope you like this video, so let's get into the video. All right, so my box really came messed up. Did I get shoes? But my box came really messed up, and I don't know what happened. Like, it had a rough trip of getting to me because the box is torn up. I'll insert clip here. I'm in transit or when it got to my place, but this box is torn up. But the first item, I actually really don't remember everything I got, but I think I got about 30 items. So I'm gonna try to keep this video really short, you know? And I'm also gonna try stuff on. It's gonna be like this side right here, so y'all will get to see what it looks like on me, and I will tell you what the material feels like, how it looks good and everything. So the first item is Jacoby's. I don't really know what this is, but when I open it, oh, I did get shoes. Ooh, it smells like new shoes. Okay. So I got these boots, knee-high boots. I've been looking for some knee-high boots. I need more heels in my life, and these look like they're gonna be really cute. The material is good, you know, shiny, and I'm gonna be rocking some pumps, you know. Most of the items that I got, I mean, some of them for summertime, but some of them are for later in the year. And yeah, I don't know, I just kind of like went around looking for some kind of styles that I might like, and I wanted to try it. So the next item is this long sleeve dress. It has this cute choker part to it, and it has a V-neck, so you know, show off a little bit but not much, and it's long sleeve, so when it gets cold, and it's a dress probably about my knee length, and so I can dress it up with some Uggs or some other kind of boots and get like knee-high socks and be cute with it. Put on like a little coat, and I'll be rocking this. Oh, and by the way, I did great because most of the stuff that I got was on $15 and below, so they're already on sale. And with Memorial Day weekend, I took an extra 30% off. An extra 30% off. So that means most of the stuff was probably like highest $8 for that one specific item. So I did really good. Is this top, and it's has like a choker part to it, and then the shoulders are out, and then in the back, my back is out. So that is gonna be really super cute. I can dress this up going out, a business attire, or just a day when I feel like I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling my. The next thing are some jeans. They're really light wash jeans. They're really cute. But it says want a better butt. I really don't, because my butt is too much to handle anyway. But it's mid-rise ankle. It's heart-shaped yoke. I got this in a size 9, and most of the things I'll be getting is like a medium. And I know how like I'm more of like slim thick, I guess you would say, but my chest is a little big, my stomach's kind of small, and then my hips, they're a little out there. So most people that you see, they're like extra small, size 0. I am not that type of girl. So if you want to see like someone who maybe look closer to you, then you know, continue to watch this video. And yeah, it looks sexy, it looks nice. It's black, and I needed a lot more black in my wardrobe. And you know, it looks like this. It's a long sleeve, and then I really like this detailing in the front. It's not too much, it's a little subtle, so you know, you have a little bit going on. This really cute halter dress. Now this will be like a date night, you know, going out, someone's award show. I'm not there yet, but you know, going out somewhere fancy. The next thing I have is this crop top. You know, it's long sleeve, it's subtle, something light, and I can always wear this as a business attire or an actual crop top. You can get like a cute skirt, pull it up a little bit so my stomach isn't showing, wear it with like a blazer, or I can just get some high-waisted jeans or just wear regular jeans and then rock this shirt out. Another crop top. It is this polka dot orange crop top. The this part is open, so you know, you're gonna get a little bit of some chest, a little bit. There is a tie. It's kind of like more decoration. The shoulders, like this, is really cute. Apparently, I'm gonna have to, you know, exchange something because I did not buy this twice. So this is like a turtleneck dress. Here's the neck part. You would like fold this down. Let me fold that down. And then you would wear it like that. The shoulders are also out. It's kind of like mid sleeve, probably like the middle part of my forearm, and then it's flared out, and it's to my knees. So this is gonna be like a really cute dress for when it's winter. It is kind of breathable, so I would wear like a tank top or just wear your coat, and when you're inside you're fine. If it's windy, it's yarn, so you'll be cold and feel all of the wind coming through. So it's spaghetti straps, and it's kind of like, oh wait, my bad. Scratch that, boo. It's not a dress, it's a jumpsuit. So it's tank tops, and it's kind of a little bit see-through. It looks like it's see-through. I'll show y'all in a try-on, but it has this little cute extra detailing in the front, and also, you know, it's a romper, so you be rocking it out during, you know, summertime. Pull out, like, you know, pop out summertime. It's a halter jumpsuit, so you would tie this up here, and the back is out, like sis. The back is out. You have jumpsuits. The only thing is that it's a little see-through. Actually, it comes with a you know, undergarment, so you're good. It's like short wise, so you actually, this will be really cute because your legs gonna be showing through, like, oh, like, you know, you just get a fresh shave and you be like, I think it was a crop top on the website, but it looks a little long. So this can also be business attire. You know, you have that regular shoulder, and then one of the shoulders is spaghetti straps. So I think this is gonna be really cute. It also has, where are you going? The extra material at the bottom, so you can go ahead and tie it up, make a cute little design, and make every outfit unique. So I feel like that's really nice. You can dress this up as business attire or just something like chill going out. The only thing is, it has like a shoulder pad right here, so I'm not really sure how I feel about that. But bam! Oh, snap! I got this velvet dress, and when you look at it, you're like, is this a skirt? But then you turn it around, and here is the other part. So this one is actually another extra material, sis. Like, this is a lot of material. This is the next item. It's like a little blazer. You want to dress something up, be something slight, and in the back it has a little detailing here. So I need to get more business attire because I'm going to be wearing more and more next year. One thing I do realize is I say yeah a lot, so I'm like, yeah. I'm like, yeah. So I'm gonna try to stop doing that. I'm trying to stop doing that. The next item is this cute crop top. In the back, it's kind of like a halter. So this is kind of like for summer vibes. You know, you're going to the beach or you're just trying to wear something light. Like, this is really cute. I like that they have these little extra silver things on the middle, and then this crisscross design. This crop top, it's really cute. It's black and gold sparkles. It like has this flare to the opening, so when you're wearing it, it's like bam bam, you have extra material. I hang it from your arms, I turn around like wah. So you know I had to get something with a little lace on it. And this jumpsuit looks really cute. It has like this in the front. It has lace all the way down, and it has like a little extra material at the end. We have this little vest. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna wear this with, but it's really cute. It's a little warm, so it could kind of be a cute coat. Not really a coat, but it's stylish. It has pockets, so you know, put your phone in there, chapstick. And on the inside, it's black. So you can probably wear this since it's already like checkered. I would wear it with something that's like not as bam and a solid color, long sleeve kind of outfit. This dress, and the neck part has like a little choker on the side. The one side is shoulderless, and then the other side has long sleeves, and then the sleeve is like reattached here. Business see like a little mini date, go out to class or something, you know, a job interview. Like, this is cute. Except for a job interview, I would wear like a little jacket here so that, you know, this is covered. If you're looking for something to be extra, we about to be real extra right now. But bam! Like, this is a really bright, it's velvet blazer. It looks really cute, and if you're trying to be seen, you know, I would pull this out, and I like the gold detailing in the zipper and then the buttons. Bodysuit, and I like the flares on the shoulder part of it, and it's just a little plain bodysuit. And I would wear this like with maybe a skirt or some high-waisted jeans. And it also, the flares, the frillies, you know, they go down in a diagonal. Really cute sequin, not sequin, but I don't know what you call it, but this kind of dress. And the back is out, and it has all of this in the back. When I move, like, do you see this? These pants, and they're a great material. It's breathable, so summertime, it's gonna be good. They have a good pocket size, and I like this little bow right here. That is really cute. One thing that I also, oh wow, this is the belt. Okay, so this is a belt, but they put like a really cute bow on it. So this is actually gonna be good because my butt is really big, but my waist is small. So next item is this cute see-through top. It has a hoodie on it, which I thought, I can go without. The next thing is this belt. It's really cute. It's really plain. I talked to y'all how I said I need more belts, and you know, I need another belt. I also got this really cute necklace. It's like a choker with different categories, and I like that it has crosses on it. I also got this necklace and earrings. I got these pants, and they're tan. I think they were jeans, but I got them in tan, and they're really cute. They look stretchy. Yeah, they're really stretchy. They go about to your leg length, so like your ankles. I'll definitely leave my coupon code down below so y'all can get a discount on your Fashion Nova. All right guys, thanks for watching my video today. I hope you like this. Fashion Nova haul. And if you like this video, comment down below which items that you liked. And if you want more videos, spam the like button, and I'll try to make more videos of like these for you. And also don't forget to share with your family, your friends. And if you made it this long, girl, and if you're a guy, hey, don't forget to go ahead, hit the subscribe button, which is down below. You know you want to become part of the fam. You know you do. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.